Introducing X-Foil. X-Foil is an all-electric, silent, emission-free watercraft that can ride on the surface of the water and fly above the water. We've engineered a watercraft that's more compact than a child-sized surfboard, conveniently fits inside standard sedans, and a watercraft capable of speeds comparable to that of a 500 horsepower speedboat. What sets X-Foil apart is our game-changing motor assembly that allows you to easily configure X-Foil into a surf, foil, and SUP configurations using the same motor. In the surf configuration, X-Foil can be ridden on your belly, sitting down, squatting, or standing up. It's a great way to learn and ride in shallow water. In the foil configuration, X-Foil can plane quickly and allow you to take off and land for an absolutely thrilling riding experience. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can build riding confidence in progressive steps. Learn on your own time and advance to the next riding style whenever you feel comfortable. The handcrafted board is made with carbon fiber, and the unique underbody has been engineered to absorb waves, increase lift, and minimize drag for unsurpassed comfort and control. The super efficient wings delivers outstanding performance and maneuverability. The mast and fuselage are made with aircraft-grade aluminum for superior strength, weight, and corrosion resistance. X-Foil's VR-inspired wireless controller is designed to fit comfortably, as if it were an extension of your hand, delivering intuitive feel and instant throttle response. X-Foil's remote also packs advanced features such as data telemetry, cruise control, and automatic anti-runaway for safety. Standard range and long-range lithium battery options are available. X-Foil's integrated waterproof hatch makes changing batteries a breeze. The X-Foil app will allow you to tune your board to best accommodate your desired riding style. X-Foil's standard and sport packages will retail.
In Denmark, we're known as the world's happiest country, and we believe biking is a part of the answer to our great happiness. From the biking capital of the world, we proudly present you the Strøm City 2.0. A feature-packed and affordable electric bike with the smart use of integrated battery and convenient lighting solutions at the tip of your fingers. Strøm City 2.0.